Hello everyone, in today's video I'm talking about Bitcoin, guys. What's going on in the BTC? And today video I will share the latest update about BTC. So keep on this video complete, guys. And if you want to join my Telegram group, so also join my Telegram group. Link is available in video description, guys. Currently, guys, 39,431 is the current market price of BTC. And guys, the price continuously looking bearish, guys. Just currently it is the lowest price level, guys. So I'm very badly shocked about BTC dump, guys. And I also told you guys that the price will dump on $48,000. I give you a signal that it's going to dump, guys. Everybody are talking about YouTube that it's going to 100,000, but unfortunately now it's again dumping, guys. From this level, guys, I recommend to buy it, guys, because it's a major support level of Bitcoin, guys. So I'm very bullish on BTC, guys. What's your target for BTC? Please tell me in the comment box. And for more latest update about crypto market, join us on Telegram. Link is available in video description.